It is going to be a long, exciting day. The veterans start out with a flight from here to Columbus, Ohio.
We're going to arrive in Reagan and then immediately get on buses, and then we're going to travel to many different of the war memorials, from Vietnam to Korean, World War II. Yeah, it's going to be fantastic.
Some of them are hurt because when they came back to Vietnam, they were not considered heroes. They were considered people that were less important. And so to let them know that, you know, even though it's a delayed thank you, we still are grateful a few generations later. And so for a lot of them, that's important.
I think from the people that applauded us when we got off the airplane, because I wasn't used to that. Instead of this, we got booze. That's when I kind of got teary-eyed.
A lot of them come back, and from this trip actually has changed persons. And the family sees it, and they know it afterwards. And they thank us, because this is a closure that they needed for 30, 40, even 50 years later.
What I'm having a problem with is emotion. But these people are so appreciative of what we have done. And I didn't think I did anything special, but they seem to think I did. And having lost a brother from being in Vietnam, I wish he was here. Can't do that. So I appreciate what they're doing for people. Couldn't ask for anything better.
Show arms.
So it's a great honor to be here. It's a great honor to be with Battelle and Battelle sponsoring this, and just to be around these veterans, man. It's just great.
Just seeing, honestly, the best part is the young people around DC, and so many young people coming up and telling the veterans, thank you for your service. It's hard not to choke you up, because it's great to see that our younger generations understand and actually appreciate those sacrifices.
You know, seeing the memorials is great. It's a chance very few people, you know, in the United States gets to do is to do an honor flight like this. But I think the camaraderie of the people has been really outstanding to me, as well as the input even from Battelle, you know, to know that they came together to sponsor a flight by themselves. Usually it takes a lot of different sponsors to do something like this, something of this magnitude. But to have Battelle do this, I think is pretty darn special to me.